Hey everyone, welcome to the another session by Sybrix Labs. I'm Tanishq and today we will dive deeper into the Oasis AI and see how it can supercharge developers' productivity and help us to code faster, smarter and easier. So let's go to the screen now. So here we are inside the VS Code. So let me run the Oasis extension. So yes, on running the Oasis extension, we have four tabs: Cove, Lagoon, Palm and Vault. So all the four tabs have their own specific tasks. Like Cove shows me the detected projects, which tab we can use for customizing the chatbot. So yes, if I click on this, the project which we built in the previous session, the chatbot. So now on clicking this, my Palm tab is customized for this Next.js project, right? So now let's move to the fourth tab, which is the Vault. So from here you can update your API key. You can click on generate API key and it will redirect you to the Oasis website. And all this process was shown in previous video and the link is in the I button. You can check that. And now let's move to the Palm tab, which is the third tab and which is the chatbot. Now here you can use it. Now if I type how to install, let's wait for the answer. And also you can toggle this sidebar to start with your Next.js application, and your all the old chats or your recent chats will be loaded here, right? So let's see what answer it provides us. Installing your Next.js 14 application project TypeScript. So if you remember, in the start of the video Cove tab, I have customized my chatbot using this Next.js, right? So it provided me installation commands for my Next.js application, right? All the installation commands it provided. Now let's move to the second tab, which is the Lagoon. Here a developer can preview the project inside VS Code. Only you need to just give the port where your project is running and hit this. Now let's see. Now yes, you can see your chatbot is running here. And if I give what is 2 plus 2, this we did in the previous session, and you can check that video out also, how we created this using Oasis AI. So all this is like responsive also. You can click it here and it is thinking. So do check that video out, how we created the AI chatbot of our own. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more updates on Oasis AI. You can also review us on Oasis website. Till then, happy coding.